Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 11th chapter, that is the sound. In previous video already we have learned that what is that sound and how the sound is producing. Yes, already we have get the idea. By the vibrating the object or the body, the sound is produced. But students, the sound is produced by the non-living things as well as the sound is produced by the living things. I have told to you in the last video, when will beat or hammer that to that on object, then it will be vibrate. That you have seen that turning fork, the tuning fork, if you hit and you will see that it will be vibrate. Yes, and so many materials like iron bells and in your school bell, if you will hit to that, then it will be vibrate and making that producing sound. Yes, but friends, today we are going to discuss about that sound produced by the humans. How that we are producing that sound. You know that suppose now I am speaking, or you will say something, or you will sing, that sound is producing. How did you feel? How it is producing? Because the sound is produced by that one, our voice box. Okay, in our, here it is there, you can see that our neck near, below that our mouth, that then after above that esophagus, that you can see that what is that our voice box is there. The voice box is also called as what is that larynx. What is that larynx? We can say that it is, we have to see that it is called as also larynx. And that larynx, how it is producing that sound. Students, you observe that while you are singing or speaking, that you can just press slowly, don't press heavily, just lightly, just keep your fingers just here, and you sing something, you can observe what is that trembling, what is that vibration. Yes, but due to that our voice box, how that larynx or larynx, the larynx just like a book that you can see that voice cords are there, and I have drawn some picture. You can see that in your textbooks clear picture is there also, you can observe. There is two narrow things is there, and through the slit, and when that air is passing, okay, and it is adjusting and making the to vibrate that, okay, then after it is producing the sound. For example, we can say that in one experiment also we can do two papers you just close to each other, okay, and keep that close and just blow with your mouth. Whenever we blow to that, what will happen? There one sound will create. Why? Because that two papers narrow between, there is one gap to the sound to flow. When that, or the slit, when that sound will flow, air will flow, at that time what will happen? These two papers will vibrate. So then it will produce that sound. Same like students, in our that cords, the voice box or in larynx, there is one, what is that? That is voice cord is there. This is, you have to see that observations here, when here in that tongue below that, whenever you will see that down back side, that it is there one, this is like that is there, okay, and through this the air will pass, okay, air will out or it will go inside. So that whenever this will close, then that air will go very tightly. That means the sound will produce, very frequency will become more. That's why what will happen, friends? If you compare to that one child or woman, then it is more frequency, more sound will produce than a man, because the larynx that is often more, open is there for the man, and for the in the larynx cases the trachea is very slit, that means very close in case of child and in case of woman. So their sound, their pitch is more heavy, okay, and a shrill sound is for the woman or the one child than compared to a man. Okay friends, so let us discuss how the sound is producing by a human and what are the things we have to discuss today in this video. The sound is produced by the voice box is called a larynx. So observe that friends, it is called as a larynx. When that sound is produced by the human, that is in that our voice cord is there, voice box is there, and that is called as actually generally larynx. And it is the upper end of the windpipe, or the windpipe is there. Esophagus up is there, windpipe that which through we are taking that air. That windpipe upper part is called as what is that, larynx. Two vocal cords. This is vocal cord. This is also vocal cord. Okay, and these two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between the for the passage of air. You observe that, students. This is called as what is that? Stretched that. This is vocal cords. These two vocal cords. Observe that. Voice cord or vocal cords also you can say. These vocal cords क्या होता वो स्ट्रेच होता, जब एयर जाने के लिए स्ट्रेच होता. सपोज कम स्ट्रेच हुआ मतलब ओपन ज्यादा नहीं हुआ, मतलब स्लिट वेरी, वो स्लिट का जो ट्रैकिया का थ्रू जो एयर पास होता वो क्या होता, वेरी मतलब हाई पिच हो जाता, फ्रीक्वेंसी ज्यादा होता, मतलब वॉइस वेरी नैरो हो जाता. उसको जब नैरो हो जाता वो गर्ल्स लेडीज के लिए, वो लेडीज और द चाइल्ड के लिए वो क्या हो जाता, उसका वॉइस क्या होता, वेरी शार्प होता. लेकिन मेन के लिए क्या होता, उसका ओपन रहता, ज्यादा ओपन रह जाता, तो इसलिए क्या होता, पिच कम हो जाता. ठीक है, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, vocal cord, or that is called as voice cord. And whenever that it will open, that through that air will pass, and when it will close, that voice will stop. ठीक है, and for this passage of air, this slit is between this both are, this air passes, air is there, through this the air will pass, and that it will make that what sound. Okay, students. So now, students, sound needs a medium for the propagation. Students, one thing you have to observe: sound how it is passing, how it is propagating, how it is moving. Now, it needs the medium. It needs the medium. Without medium, sound cannot travel. Okay. Suppose if you go to the space where there is no air, at that time, if you talk, you cannot hear. Other person cannot talk. You will talk. You will make the sound. You will be, but you cannot hear. Also, other members cannot hear, because when you will speak, whenever you will say something, that sound cannot vibrate to other particles, and it cannot move from one place to other place. ठीक है, क्योंकि उसका अंदर में वो जो स्पेस में क्या होता, वो एयर नहीं है, जो एयर के रहता है, क्या करते वो साउंड जो एनर्जी को कन्वर्ट करके उसको ट्रांसपोर्ट करते, प्रोपागेट मतलब कन्वर्ट करके वैसा मूवमेंट करते हो, एक पार्टिकल से दूसरा पार्टिकल जो एनर्जी ट्रांसपोर्ट होता. ठीक है, तो वो जो मूवमेंट हो जाता उसको हम जाकर दूसरा बात में पहुंच जाता वो साउंड एनर्जी. साउंड इज वन ऑफ द एनर्जी, यस, वन ऑफ टाइप ऑफ द एनर्जी. ओके, साउंड एनर्जी. ठीक है, तो वो जो एनर्जी मूवमेंट होता वो क्या होता, उसको प्रोपागेशन के लिए क्या चाहिए, हमको एक मीडियम चाहिए. ठीक है, विदाउट मीडियम द साउंड कैन नॉट प्रोपागेट और द साउंड कैन नॉट ट्रैवल. ठीक है, स्टूडेंट्स. सो स्पेशली इफ यू सी दैट one example, if you see, if you go to that any showroom, then if you close that door and you will be outside or inside, then you can observe, realize if you talk anything, it cannot come outside. Whatever the voice, if you talk inside, it cannot come outside, or whatever that outside voice, it cannot come to the inside, because there is all full, that room is closed by the glasses. ठीक है, the air, that whatever that it is, there is no transport. ठीक है. So this is the main things for that propagation of the sound in the medium. So it is very essential for the propagation. While we are talking, you are hearing. Whatever you are talking, we are hearing, because of when you are speaking, that sound is traveling through the air medium, and it is coming to me. Whatever I will speak, it will go to your ear by that same way. ठीक है, students. So air cannot travel, cannot propagate in the without medium, and it will be special. Students, you should remember there are so many mediums are there. Water medium is there, solid substance medium is there, air medium is there. Okay, but specially the sound can travel more, मतलब highly can propagate in solid. Okay, where in solid cases, because more particles, very jointly particle very closely there, in minimum it can travel minimum can speed. The speed of sound is high in the metal or solid cases, and it is very less minimum speed in the air cases. Okay, in air it will be move क्या है, हम सोचते एयर में ज़्यादा हो जाता बोलते ऐसा सोचते नहीं, सॉलिड में ज़्यादा होता क्या है, स्पीड ऑफ द साउंड. स्पीड ऑफ द साउंड कम किधर होता, मिनिमम किधर होता, इन एयर. ओके, एंड स्पीड ऑफ द साउंड इन एयर is 331 meter per second. The speed of sound in air at 0 degree is 331 meter per second. And speed of sound is maximum in solid and minimum in air. तुमको पता है स्टूडेंट्स, जब थंडर होता, जब लाइटनिंग रेनिंग टाइम पे जब होता, हमको लाइटनिंग के बाद में हमको साउंड सुना दे रहे. क्यों? बिकॉज the speed of light is very more fast, more high, more than the speed of the sound. 331, that is 3 lakh, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 1 second में इतना जाता, लेकिन साउंड कितना है, 331 meter per second. So that's why after that lightning, that means we are seeing after some time after we are seeing that water. Thunder. That means that sound we are hearing. Okay, the sound speed is very slow than the speed of light. Okay, so students, these are about that what is the speed of sound and generally how it is, and other also it has given in your book in different materials what is the speed of sound. You have to note it in your notebooks. Okay students, thank you all of you students. Next we will discuss what is that ear, how it is construction, how it is function, and what about that other characteristics of sounds we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.